कभी कभी तो लगे जिंदगी में रही ना खुशी और ना मजा कभी कभी तो लगे हर दिन मुश्किल और हर पल एक सजा ऐसे में कोई कैसे मुस्कुराए कैसे हंसते खुश होके
अपनों की महफिल में बेगाने हम सबकी असलियत को पहचाने हम पत्थर की
Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I keep saying, what do we say here? It's time to give power to your voice, okay? To your personality, to your attitude, to your feeling. And in 2021, I say it's the right time to gauge your life and reflect on the journey, because I am sure guys in 2021 it's been a roller coaster, a topsy tipsy turmoil of events globally, right? And I will not take a step back from saying it is the right time to speak up because it can add to the global community. So today guys, I will be sharing a very quick experience of my life. An epic example of three different color, three different looking birds stand with each other. My God, that's something to be called as community, right? You definitely will have nothing in common, but you gotta stand along, stand together, share, and that's how you will provide equilibrium to the ecosystem, period. That's how you stand together. Exactly how you stand together. And look who's coming to join you. Wow. I love that sip of water. Affection can call upon other breeds to join you for survival. They're all birds, but they are different in looking, in talking, in breed, but you share a same platform of life. What a beautiful example, man. Beautiful. Voila everybody, happy Friday. And we made it to the gym a little early because it was getting really crowded after 6 o'clock. So we are here and we have taken the position so that we have the ease to choose what you want to do, right? Let's roll the fitness fever.